Hello everybody, welcome to RSRAW tutorials. Today let us see how we can put an icon on our web page, on the title bar of our web page. See, like the way you can see a G on the Google's web page over here on its title bar, and you can see an F on the title bar of the Facebook page. In the same way, if you want to put an icon on the title bar of our own web page, we can put it. It's very easy, just one line of code you have to use. You can create the icons in whichever graphic designing software you like. For example, if you want to create it in Illustrator or Photoshop or CorelDRAW or whichever software you like, you create. Or if you want any icons, images you want to download and put those icons, you can download any kind of number of icons on the internet. You can find so many icons over the net and put it on the title bar of your web page. See, for example, let us see, I am going to put an icon on my web page. Say, for example, I have created this flower icon, and I am going to save this flower icon in PNG format. Okay, you can also use JPG, but I need transparency, so I need only the flower part. So I'm saving it in PNG format. PNG has transparency in it. JPG has no transparency, so I'm going to save it in PNG format. I have just opened the Photoshop and I'm going to save it in PNG format. I'm going to save it on my desktop. Flower.png, and you can see, just type flower because you have already selected this. I have already selected this PNG. Save it. So this is the flower. This is a flower icon, and now let us see how we can put the icon on our web page. I have just opened this notepad, and I have the basic head and body code. I have written on HTML. Now let us first render our web page without the icon and see how it is going to appear. I am going to save this as icon.html, and I am going to save it on my desktop. And let us see how it is going to appear. I am going to see its output in the Chrome. See, now just look at the top left corner on the title bar. Top left corner on the title bar, there is no title. There is no title over here. There is no icon over here. Sorry, there is no icon over here. Now let us see. Let us put an icon. Let us put the flower icon over here. See, this is a head tag, and inside the head tag we are going to write over just one line of code. Okay, I'm not going to write anything on the body. It is what you have to write is just type link and type opening tag href is equal to, and in the quotations just put the hypertext reference of the image name. So the image name is flower, like we have saved on on our desktop, flower. And also don't forget to put its extension, which is PNG. And after you put the extension, the next few lines of code you have to write, that is you have to write the type equals image slash and the image format, which is PNG, and then after that you have to type relationship, which is equal to icon, and just close the tag. Just with this one line of code you can get an icon on the title bar of your web page. And remember, always put your icon relative to your HTML. If you put an icon inside a folder, for example, try to give the exact path in the hypertext reference over here, so that the HTML page can find the image. So now let us see how it is going to appear. I'm going to save it and I'm going to see its output in Chrome. See, just look at the title bar of your web page. You can find the flower icon over here. See, before when we have not placed the icon, it was like this, and now when we place the icon it's like this. So in this way you can create any kind of icons and put them on the title bar of your web page. It's very easy. All you have to do is to write this one line of code. Remember, just it's very simple. You have to write the hypertext reference, and in this quotations just you have to mention the name of the file. Here you have to mention the type of the file. In our case it is PNG, and here you have to mention its rel relationship to be an icon, and don't forget to type this line. Let us also see its output in Firefox. See, even in Firefox also you can find this flower icon over here. See, like the Google and the Facebook icons. Even on our title bar now we have successfully placed an icon, a flower icon. Or you can also, if you wish, you can also create a text or any symbol or any kind of anything. All you have to do is to write this one line of code so that you can get that icon on the title bar of your web page. So thanks for watching. Enjoy your HTML.